Alright guys, so now it is time I show you all exactly how you're going to be able to download Tentacle Locker on your mobile devices. This is by far the easiest method out there. It's really easy to do and you're going to be able to do it on iOS and Android for free. So let's get right into it guys. As you can see, I do have the full game installed. This should take us about like 5 to 10 minutes to do, so it's going to be pretty fast. Just follow along with me. So first thing that we have to go ahead and do guys is just to make sure that the device we're using is actually ready for the download. And what I mean by this is we just have to go ahead and make sure that our device is compatible with it. So we're going to have to go ahead and change some settings really quick. So if you're on iOS, go ahead and open up the settings app. And then what you guys are going to want to do is go ahead and scroll down until you find battery. And you're just going to want to make sure that you guys have the low power mode option turned off. So as y'all can see, I have it off right now. And you know it's off because the battery icon will be like a regular black color. If it's on, your battery icon will be like yellow. So just make sure you guys have that off. And once you've done that, you're going to want to come over here to general. And then you're going to want to go over here in general. You're going to want to find background app refresh. And you're simply going to want to make sure you guys have this turned on to Wi-Fi and cellular data. So as y'all can see, I have it on right now. So that's perfect. And then once you've done that, you're going to want to come over here to the option that says about. And you're just going to tap on that. And you're going to look for your software version, guys. And what you're going to want to do here is just make sure that your iOS version is above iOS 10. So as y'all can see, I'm on iOS 14.3, which means I'm good to go. Now, if you're not on, if you're below iOS 10, you will have to go ahead and tap the software update button really quick and just upgrade your iOS device really quick, which should take maybe like 10 minutes to do or whatever. But yeah, you will have to go ahead and do that really quickly and then you can come back to the video. But anyways, if you are on an Android device, we also have to go ahead and change some settings really quick. So go ahead and open up the settings app on your Android phone. And you guys are going to want to go over here to where it says battery. All right, so here we are in battery, guys. And then what you're going to want to do is go ahead and look for battery saver. You're just going to want to make sure you have it turned off. And that is perfect. Then once you've done that, you're going to want to look for adaptive battery. And you're going to want to make sure you guys have that off as well. And that will be all the settings that we have to go ahead and change on Android. Now, if you don't see these settings on your Android phone, what you can go ahead and do is actually just skip this step entirely instead of worrying about it, because basically the reason you don't see those settings is because you are probably on a different Android device or model instead of like the one I'm on, which is Samsung. So yeah, if that happens to you and you can't find it, don't worry about it. You could just skip the step like I said. But anyways, guys, now that we've changed all the settings, we are now ready to install Tentacle Locker on our mobile devices for free. So let's go ahead and do it. Like I did say though, this is a tweaked app, which means you guys will not be able to get it from like the App Store or the Google Play Store like how you normally would install, apps. And just go ahead and type in, we're gonna go ahead and type in to the search bar, Tentacle, oops, I closed it by accident, Tentacle. And there it is right there, guys, Tentacle Locker. Play it on mobile. So what we're gonna wanna do now is go ahead and tap on it. Then it's gonna say injection required, follow the instructions on the next screen. So go ahead and tap start. And now all we have to go ahead and do, guys, is wait for this to load. Give it about like 10 to 20 seconds or so, and then it will fully load up and take us to the final part of the download. But just make sure you guys keep on watching until the end of the video. There is like one last step that we have to go ahead and do that is very, very important in order to finalize the download of this app. So just make sure you guys keep on watching here. Also, while we wait for this to load, I would greatly appreciate it if you guys could all leave a like on the video and subscribe really quick. That would mean a lot to me, as it does help out the video get more recommended in the algorithm, and it also helps my channel grow as well. But here's the last part of the download, guys. So basically it's going to say, please follow and complete the instructions of all the offers below. Once completed, the download will finish. So we're going to see a bunch of apps here on this list, and what we have to go ahead and do is just complete every single one of these apps. And once we do all of them, then the full Tentacle Locker will be installed, and I'll be able to play it on mobile. So to get started, guys, go ahead and tap on one of the apps. The instructions of it will pop up. So for example, this one is saying download and install this app, then run it for 30 seconds to unlock this content. So we're going to go ahead and get started with this first app. And then once you do one app, then we have to head back and do all the other apps. And once we've done like all the apps, guys, we'll be pretty much done and the full Tentacle Locker will be installed. So that's how easy this is to do. Just make sure you guys fully read the instructions. Fully do all the instructions of each offer. And once you do all of them, then you'll be good to go. Now, I don't want to make this video very long, so I'm not going to do all the other apps, but you guys will have to do it. So like I said, just click on it, read the instructions and get started. And that's how easy this is to do, guys. So if you have any questions, let me know down below. And that's going to be it for the video. Thank you very much for watching, and peace out, guys. See you in the next one.